Hello everyone, welcome again. There is a really good adventure here, which is Traverse. It is a room belongs to the security engineer's room. Maybe it belongs to some other rooms too, but now I'm in security engineer, and here we are in Traverse. It's a really good adventure, and I saw some of the YouTubers who solved this question, and also Medium bloggers use reverse shell, but actually there is no need to do this because also TryHackMe doesn't want us to do this. There is some other ways to have our answers, and today I hope I'll show you this way correctly to you guys. So let's begin. Let's start your machine and take the address of your website and then copy it, open a browser and go there, and you will see a page. The page is hacked by hackers, and it says here, finally hacked. I hate minified JavaScript. Okay, you can hate it, but we will fix it. Let's start with our first question. What type of encoding is used by hackers to obfuscate the JavaScript file? To have this answer, guys, what's here? Why do I have two pages here? Let's close one of them. The URL is correct. Okay. To have this answer, you don't have so much information. When you are in a situation like that, try to see page source and click on the links here. Let's click on the first one. There are lots of codes here, and it seems it's not useful. So let's open it. It's custom JS. It says this is a custom JS file. Okay, let's open it. And as you can see, the author says here, I will keep the obfuscated so no one can understand. Guys, these lines of codes or these lines of encoded value seems to be like hexadecimal values, right? Because each group consists of two characters, numbers or letters. Here we have a number and also we have a letter, and actually it is the basic structure of hexadecimals. So our first answer is, what type of encoding is used? It is hex, and let's decode it. You can decode it like that. Open your browser, hex decoder, reject all, open a new one and copy this line, paste it here, and as you can see, it says directory listing is the only way. When you see directory listing, you can try to search, like you can come here and you can try assets here, but as you can see, we do not have any value here. To make a directory listing attack, of course, we will use GoBuster again. I love it. And our URL is 1010, like this one, and our word list will be user share word list, dear buster directory, and small. Actually, small will be enough for this task. Let's click on enter, and you have some values here. But let's go to our questions. What is the flag value after deobfuscating the file? This one was like that. Directory listing is the only way. Directory listing is the only way. Okay, and we started our attack. Our directory listing attack, and as you can see, we have image client, API, JavaScript logs, planning, and PHP admin. Planning, we will use it also too, but let's go to the third question. Logging is an important aspect. What is the name of the file containing email dumps? So here we have a clue, right? And it is about logging, and as you can see, we have a logs directory here. So let's go to the directly there. We can close it, we can open it. Let's open logs, and as you can see, we have a file here which is email dump.txt. it is the answer of our third question, and let's open it. Sorry, I had to rush earlier for the holidays, but I have created the directory for you with all the required information for API. You loved SSDLS so much. I named the API folder under the name of the first page of SSLDS. Under the name of the first page. So what is the first page of SSDLS? And it says project planning, and as you can see in our directory listing attack, we saw a planning directory here, and it has to be the mentioned directory here, right? So let's try to go there, but before we go, we have some information here to catch. This page is password protected and can only be opened through the key. So let's copy this password, paste it here because we will use it. We can close it. Okay, we can close it too. And our next directory will be planning, right? Let's go there. And now enter the password. I paste my password, and now I'm in a weird place, and here some information about API requests. Machine IP, API customer and ID, and one. We have an integer value here, and we can use it to see our database informations. But before do that, let's go to the questions again. What is the key file for opening? Okay, it was this one. We copied it. You can paste it here. What is the email address for ID5 using the linked API endpoint? As you can see, there is a API endpoint here, and it includes some vulnerabilities. You can enter to this URL, and as you can see, you will have some information from API. But if you change this value, you will also have another information from another users, right? So the TryHackMe asks us to informations about the number, the customer ID 5, right? So the email was for this address, for this customer ID, actually it is johntravers.com, right? Great. What is the ID for the user with admin privileges? I'm not gonna search for all the numbers. I know the answers, sorry. And let's type 3 and click on enter. And as you can see, the name admin, email real admin Travers, password, role, and login URL. That's great. We have a login URL to use these informations here. We have an admin credentials, right? But if you don't know where to use it, it is how can I say, it's not useful. But here we know where to use it, and it is real admin directory. So let's open a new tab here and go to the real admin directory. That's great. Now we are here, and let's look at our questions. What is the endpoint? Blah 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 blah. It is real admin. Now let's use our credentials. It was admin. How was that? Real admin Travers.com. Okay, real admin Travers.com, and password admin key blah blah blah. Enter. What the fuck? So let's copy then. Come here, paste it, and our password is admin k. Okay. And now I have the admin page, and as you can see, there is a comment button here, and It has two functions. One of them is system owner. By the way, let's open Burp Suite. I don't want to wait for it because we will use it, but to demonstrate how this website works, I need my website again. Okay, start. Now, okay. As you can see, when you click on current directory and execute it, you will have some information about our directory. And if you say system owner and execute it, you will see the system owner. The thing here is the website gives some comment parameter to the API maybe, and the system or the server use this parameter to execute some comments. And if you view the page source, you will see here, and the name is comment, and this for system owner the value is who am I. For current directory the value is pwd. So these are our Linux comments actually, and we can understand that we can execute some comments from the web page, right? So if you want to manipulate this function, of course you will use this great tool here. And to do that, come here, click on burp, because we want to use we want to use Burp Suite as a proxy. Now it's ready and intercept is on. That's great. Now click on enter and you will see some okay, it's not correct because you have to execute a command to see the comment requests, right? So I clicked on execute and now I saw here a weird page. It sends comments via this parameter, which is comments, right? So let's send it to repeater, and with that way I don't need my proxy anymore, and I can see what I can do with this feature, right? So let's send, and as you can see I clicked, and this time I sent I typed ls, and when you go down you will see an interesting thing here, which is password for accessing original file manager. And there are some directories in this file, which is index.php, main.php, renamed file manager.php, and thm shell.php. So let's go to our questions. The attacker uploaded a web shell and renamed a file used for managing the server. Can you find the name of the web shell that the attacker has uploaded? It is obvious that the answer is thm.shell.php, right? When you type ls to comment parameter, you will have the files in that directory, and as you can see we have a tm shell.php. It's obvious, it says shell, so the answer is this one, and it worked. What is the name of the file renamed by the attacker for managing the server? For this question the answer is here, and it's also obvious, renamed file manager, as the question was talking about, right? Now everything is ready. When it comes to the last question, some of the YouTubers or Medium bloggers solved this question by using reverse shell, but actually we don't need it. But how? As you can see there is an information here, and the persons who solves this question with shell didn't use this information. So I thought that I have to use this information because it's clear that it's a password of something, and where should I use it? So, and I made some research on this machine, and then I reached this how can I say? I reached that information actually. As you can see here, we have a file renamed file manager.php. When I try to read that file, sorry, manager.php, I have something weird here. When you go down, you will see something like that. There are lots of PHP codes here, but also there are command lines. And here it says out with login password, blah 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 blah, and there are some other values, admin at 12345 here, which is for user. Let's expand it a little bit more. And then I thought that there has to be a directory for this file at the end of this journey, right? So I came here and typed renamed file manager .php, but I was in real admin, right? So real admin. Okay, it didn't work. Maybe is it about, let's make some research here. Okay. Let's make ls again. But it was saying here, can you use the file manager to restore the original website by removing the final hacked message? Okay, I have to do this. Let's ls and where is it? Main.php. Maybe it is main.php. Let's go there. No, it's not correct. Let's delete it. Renamed file manager.php. It's not in a PI directory. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Don't embarrass me again, come on. Is it index.php? Because I found some credentials and I have to use it. No, it's not this one. So real admin and renamed file manager.php. Now, yes, probably I made some typing. Sorry, what was that? Okay, thank you, Microsoft. Now we are in the correct place, right? But how did we come here? At the beginning of this journey, we were in the real admin directory. You can learn it like that. When you type pwd, you will see your location, and it is this one. And after that, we wanted to see the files in that location. And after that, we saw this file, index.php, main.php, renamed file manager.php, and shell PHP. And after that, I read these files one by one. Okay, and then after before I read, actually, I had this information. It's about some password, so I have to use this password, and I searched the correct place to use this password, and the renamed file seems to be correct place to use this password to me, because in that file we have really interesting informations. It's obvious that there is something important in that directory, and these codes here make really important things for the website. And then I try to go to this directory, and here I have a login page for admin, but I know what the password is. It was written here. Make ls again to have this password, right? And after that, where is it? ls, it is here. Let's copy it and paste it here. Don't say, and as you can see, we have file manager for our server or our website, right? So until now everything was great. Now we have to change something. As you can see here, it is real admin directory. We were in that directory, but we want to remove we want to fix that file, fix that website. And as you can see, this message is in the index page, or main page, let's say. And main pages, if you wanna search for main pages, you can think like it might be index PHP or something related to this main or index keywords, right? And I see a index PHP file here, and when you open it, you will see something interesting here, which is the same message. It is the same message with this one, right? So we can say that these user interfaces comes from this index page, right? From this index PHP file. So, and if you see that there's a message here, it says finally hacked, and if message is finally hacked, then sorry, if it's not, but here it's finally hacked anyway. And if it's not, we will see a message here, successfully restored website flag, and we will get our flag. Our flag is already here, but we want to fix that website, and we will do it. How we can do it? You will see an edit button here, and click on it, and after that you just simply change the message, because if the message is not finally hacked, this code will be worked, and our website will be restored, right? Let's say. So let's type here, who is your daddy now? Now click on save. Saved successfully. It's great. Now refresh the website, and now as you can see, we fixed our website and we have captured our flag, and it is THM website restored. Great, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I could help you. That was all. If you have some questions about this room, you can leave a comment here. See you in the next solution videos. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.